Alright, so this is our tribal original tune here. It's a new piece I've been working on. You know, you get to a point with these tunes that you've just absorbed all kinds of, for me, mostly blues. But you know, blues kind of rolls into folk and even country music, although I never really got country music until I heard Ray Charles play it. And when he took that and kind of rocked that rhythm, I was like, oh, I see what you're saying. Then after that, I kind of like country. You know? Then, you know, you write songs, you never know where they're really coming from. I mean, at this point, I've been around for 50 years. I got a few experiences to draw on. But, you know, you draw on your experience and everybody else's experience. You turn the guitar just a little bit. I promise not to play loud on this one. So this is a song, you know, I don't know really where it came from for me personally, but maybe for you it's about, I don't know, someone you knew back years ago, or your first wife or something. I've only been married once, so it can't be that for me. But maybe you're sitting in your college dorm room thinking about someone you used to know. Well, I like the sound of the city in the rain. Tires splash the water on the streets. Raindrops are falling down on my window pane. I don't miss you anymore. Walking in the rain down Union Avenue, I was drawn by neon light, but the sign said sorry, we're closed, come again. I don't miss you anymore. I don't miss the way that you wore your hair. I don't miss the way that you smile. I don't miss the way that you call my name. Except every once in a while. They remember the time down in New Orleans. We got caught in the thunder shower. We took our refuge on Frenchman Street. And it rained for hours and hours. Some raindrops fall on the palace roof. Some fall in the gutter in the street. Some lovers walk together hand in hand in the rain. And then the rain washes down to the sea. I don't miss the way that you wore your hair. I don't miss the way that you smile. I don't miss the way that you call my name. Except every once in a while. Well, I don't mind the weather, I don't mind the rain, I don't mind the idle hours, I don't mind the Sunday dinners all alone, except every once in a while. I don't miss the way that you wore your hair, I don't miss the way that you smile, I don't miss the way that you call my name, except every once in a while. I don't miss the way that you wore your hair, I don't miss the way that you smile, I don't miss the way that you call my name, except